Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the System53 error code on your Windows computer. So if you're running into this issue, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Control Panel. Best match to come back for Control Panel right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Go and select the Network and Internet option. If you do not see it, you want to set your view by the category and then select Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. You want to set both of these network discovery options to turn on, so turn on network discovery as well as turn on file and printer sharing. And then you want to go left click on Save Changes. Once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.